So, good afternoon. Before we start our discussion, kindly stand up. So, here I will lead the prayer in front.
O God Almighty.
O God Almighty, behold us, thy loving children, offering day to day our works and studies. Help us, dear Lord, to be obedient to our teachers, kind to our companions, and diligent to our studies, so that we may merit the blessings for ourselves, our school, our beloved country that we live in.
So, what's happened? Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, teacher.
Okay, it's good to hear that. But before we sit down, can we pick up under your chair? Arrange your chair properly. Please sit down quietly. So, I prepare a classroom rules. Kindly read this rule.
Sit properly. Raise your right.
Follow the second.
Raise your right hand if you want to speak. Be quiet and listen when someone is speaking. Participate in any activity. Follow instructions.
So those are the rules that we need to obey in order for us to have a peaceful flow of discussion. So, Ms. D. Guzman, who are absent this morning?
Teacher.
Okay, let's have a very good class. The teacher will do first and you will follow after me. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good.
Okay, kindly pass your assignment in front.
Done, teacher.
Okay, who can still remember our last topic? Yes, Mansa.
Our last topic was all about the female reproductive system.
Okay, Asayas, can you please give the example of male reproductive system?
Female.
Female reproductive system. Yes.
Fallopian tube, ovary, vagina, uterus, and cervix.
Okay, very good. So, I have here some picture and you can identify what I need 5 representatives to do this activity. Okay, Mansa, Asayas, Patonedino. Under Diego. Would you, teacher? Okay, what do you think the picture is trying to show?
Exercise.
This is what? This time,
Exercise.
Okay. By doing this activity, what helpful benefits give our body?
Along stay healthy and strong.
To make our healthy,
And
strong body. So, kindly stand up everyone for our activity. This is what we call the skeletal dance.
The thigh bone's connected to the hip bone, the hip bone's connected to the backbone connected to the hip bone, doing skeleton. Shake your hands to the left. Shake your
Joban,
hands to the
Joban,
right.
Joban,
Hands in the air.
Joban,
Hands out of sight.
Joban. After anak. After.
Shake your hands to the right.
Okay, thank you. Can you please sit down? So I think I forgot something, the objective. So, for the action that you have that you perform, what body part is responsible of those things? Mr. Remigio?
Bones teacher.
Yes, our is skeletal system. So, do you know how our skeletal system function? Yes. Today we are going to have an activity first. So, in order for us to understand our skeletal system function, so let's all stand again. So we have an activity. So teacher will go first, and you will follow after me. So the first thing is let's stand straight, so like this. So the second one is rotate your head 5 times. 1, 2, 4, 5. And the third one is rotate your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And twist your twist like this.
Fold your arm.
Right, so you fold your arms like this. So the fifth one is twist your wrist.
Uwis ragoro na.
Try to balance it by folding your left knee and rotate your toes. And the last one is rope jumping. Okay, very good. So let's sit your seat. So from the activity that we perform, what is the function of our skeletal system? Anyone? Mansa?
I think the function of our skeletal system is for us to move and do actions.
Yes, the responsible of our good posture and for us to have movement. So I have here prepared for you a picture. So this part is the skeletal is held to the division, which is the axial skeleton and the appendicular. So please all read everyone the axial skeleton.
Body, and functioning our brain, organs, and our body.
Okay, thank you. So the axial skeleton is have 5 parts, so which is the skull and the vertebral column, and then the third one is the rib cage, the fourth one is the hyoid bone, and the last one is the coccygeal. So first, we need to define what is a skull. So read this column.
The skull
The skull.
the brain and internal part of the head.
So we all know the function of the skull, which is located here.
Here.
The skull is located at this part here. So the function of the skull is to protect our brain and other external organ in our head. So the second one is the vertebral. The vertebral is the column to protect the spinal cord, which is responsible for the reflexes. So that the vertebral column is located at the vertebral column is located here at the back. At the back. So the third one, please read this column, everyone.
Rib cage, protect the heart and lungs.
So the rib cage, the function of the rib cage is to protect the lungs and
Heart.
Heart. So the rib cage is located into this part. This part is this part. And then the fourth one is the hyoid bones. So can you read everyone?
Hyoid bones. It's the bones in the neck, tongue, larynx, and other structures in the mouth and throat.
So hyoid bone is located here at this part. The function of the hyoid bone is a bone that is made that supports the tongue and larynx and other structures of our mouth and throat. So the fourth one is the fifth one is the last, the occipital bone. So please read this column.
Occipital bones, tiny bones in the middle ear that amplify and transmit sound waves to the inner ear.
So the function of the occipital bone is to amplify and transmit some waves to the inner ear. So the occipital bone is located here. And inside your ear, like here. So let's move to the appendicular bone. The appendicular bone is, can you read everyone?
The primary function of the appendicular skeleton is to facilitate movement made by the human body.
Yes, this part is our skeletal bone. So what are the bones are located in the axial bone? Appendicular bone. So the first one is clavicle. So please read this row, the function of clavicle.
Support your upper body and play an important role in how you move.
Okay. So the clavicle is located into your ear. This part of your body. This located here, like this. Can you touch it yourself?
Shoulder.
This part of your
Body.
How your skin And then the second one is the scapula. What is the function of scapula? Can you read this column?
Scapula, providing a stable base for our movement and serving as an attachment point for numerous muscles.
So the function of the scapula providing a stable base for an arm movement and serving as an attachment point of the humerus muscle. So the location of our scapula is over here. The back of your what's the back? That is our scapula located. So the third one is the hip bone. What is the function of the hip bone? Can you read this column?
Support the body weight and facilitate movement of the lower person. The lower limb.
Okay na.
So our scapula, our hip bone is located here at the of your there.
Waist. Hips.
So the last one is the appendage bone. So the appendage bone is the function of the appendage bone that make up the upper and lower limbs, including the shoulder and pelvic radials. So the location of your scapular bones is here, from here, is here. From the activity that you perform, what is the responsibility of those movement? Anyone?
Skeletal. Saka to yung skeletal dance?
Yes, what is the function of those movement? What are the functions that rotate neck, arms, and toes? What do you think are responsible of those movements? Anyone?
Immovable pivot joint.
The responsible of those movement is your joint. What is the function of joint? The joint is that two joint meets together in movement certain parts of your body. So there are 5 different kind of joint, which is the back and ball and socket joint. The second one is the hinge joint. And the third one, gliding joint. And fourth, pivot joint and the removable joint. So first, let's define the ball and socket joint. So ball socket joint is allowing movement in all direction. So the hinge joint allows movement in one direction, which is the back and forth. And then the gliding joint, which allows movement side to side and back and forth. And then the function of pivot joint allows movement rotation of all bones. And the immovable joint does not allow movement. So the example of immovable joint is your feet does not allow movement.
Yeah.
So, if you are listening to my topic, we have an activity. So, I will mention the name of the bone and you will touch it by yourself. So, first, you can identify it, which is whether either it is axial or appendicular skeleton. So, kindly stand up, everyone.
Touch your body part.
So the first one I mentioned is the skull. Okay, very good. So the second one is the scapula.
Parang pako-pako sa inyong shoulder.
And then the third one is the ribs. And then the fourth one is the clavicle. Yes, very good. And then the fifth one is the appendage bone. Yes.
All your body
So
parts.
if you are listening, we have an listen everyone. So let's move on to the group activity. I will group you into group.
Generalization ah.
Let's have an assignment.
Generalization.
Generalization. So choose the correct answer. By the way, let's move on to the generalization. So what is the function of our skeletal system? Anyone? Miss Remigio?
The function of our skeletal system is we use it to move.
Yes, the function of our skeletal system is allows our movement, allows our body to move and have a good body structure. So, what are those? What are those what are those part of the axial skeleton? Yes, mansa.
So the sculpture, the eye bones, the ribs, the vertebral column, and the vertebral.
So, how about the appendicular bones? Di Guzman.
Ayun yung tig-video kayo na.
Yes, Nabli. Yes, very good. What are those examples of the bones of the joint? Ramos.
Itong pivot joint. Pivot joint. Hinge. Immovable. Gliding joint. Hinge joint. Pivot joint.
So the example of the joint that are mainly the ball and socket joint. The second one is the pivot joint. And then the third one is the hinge joint. And the fourth one is the
Immovable.
And the fifth one is the immovable joint. So let's have an assignment.
Bang, teacher.
I think that will be all. Thank you. Bye.